Hello, welcome to a guided metta meditation. I'd like to invite you to start in a comfortable seated or laying down position, whatever's best for you and suits your meditation the best. Go ahead and take a few moments there to go ahead and settle in. Once you've found yourself in your comfortable meditative position, I'd like to invite you, if you're sitting, to sit straight with your spine straight up and down with the shoulders down and away from the ears. If you're laying down, go ahead and wiggle around for a moment just to find that comfy spot. And then when you're ready, with one hand over heart and one hand over belly, your eyes can be closed or they can come to a soft gaze. I'd like to invite you to inhale deeply. Make this inhalation count. And then exhale when you're ready. And let's do a few more of those breaths. So as you inhale, we'll inhale from the bottom of the lungs all the way to the top. We'll hold for a few counts and then we'll exhale. Breathing in peace and relaxation. Holding and then exhaling and letting go of any sort of stress or tension. You might be thinking or holding within our minds, within our nervous system, within our bodies. And as you inhale this way, or this time, go ahead and notice the way the breath feels as it enters your body. Not thinking too much about how you breathe, but just the breath itself. And as you inhale, allow your heart to fully open. Allow your heart to receive any love, any goodness, any nurturing that it may need today. And then when you're ready, say quietly or in your head, may I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be peaceful and at ease. Good. Now connect to feelings of peace and love, to oneself. Letting go of any expectations and just be happy and loved. And when you're ready, imagine someone you care deeply for. Opening that heart and sending some love out into the world. Repeat either in your head or softly, may you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be peaceful and at ease. So go ahead and think of an acquaintance. Go ahead and send some meditative love to them. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be peaceful and at ease. And then when you're ready, go ahead and think of someone that you have difficulty with. Let's go ahead and send them some love, as love is full circle. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be peaceful and at ease. And then again, with either eyes closed or coming to a soft gaze, we'll take a few more deep breaths in and out. And feel free to stay in that meditative state as long as it's calling to your body today. So we'll sign off. Thank you.